What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, I just got out of the shower. I tried some new products, and we're going to be styling our hair on camera. So I used the Sofnfree shower products. They were so nice, guys. The shampoo was absolutely amazing. You only need a little bit to go a long way. They are very concentrated products. I love the smell of the honey too. It has a very good smell and a very good lather in both the products. So I just applied the shampoo probably about 2 to 3 times, made sure my hair was clean, and then after I rinsed it out, I immediately followed up with the conditioner. I broke my hair down into sections before I started to apply the conditioner, just because I have so much hair that I want to make sure that the conditioner is really penetrating my hair. It just works best for me. So yeah, I left this in. I actually treated the conditioner like a deep conditioner, and I left it in while I washed my body. And then after that, I rinsed it out, and then I followed up with their leave-in. And their leave-in is the Manuka honey and avocado. And I'll show it to you guys. The leave-in was probably my favorite. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So the leave-in was really, really nice. I just took a good amount of it, and I was able to detangle with the leave-in in my hair. I still have it in my hair right now. It smells good. I did use a good amount of leave-in because I wanted to make sure that my hair was just fully saturated before I got out the shower. But now it is time to style my hair. I have my styling products right here. This one is the Sofnfree for natural hair flaxseed oil in rose water. It's designed to extend, define, and shine for gravity defying moisture infused curls. Curl elongating gel. And we also have the curling mousse. So these are the 2 products that we're going to be trying out today on camera. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to apply both products. That's what I really want to do. I'm going to apply both products. I've seen it done before. I don't know if I'm going to do the gel then the mousse or the mousse then the gel. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out as we're going along. But yeah, let's go ahead and just open it up. Let's see what's going on. Ciao. It's giving gel, y'all. Definitely is giving a gel. Ooh, I like how it smells. Alright, so you can see it's definitely giving gel. It's stiff. Okay, she ain't moving. Okay, she is not moving. I can dig it. Smells really good. And then here's the mousse. I mean, I can't really sample it until we put it on our hair, but we're about to do so literally right now. So let me go ahead and prep myself up. We got some clips, we got the detangling brush, and we're gonna get a poppin', honey. We're gonna get a poppin', friend. If I have not told you guys by now, we're just gonna do a simple wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go in a while, probably like all summer. I think I'm gonna start with this side, and we're gonna take my hair down, and we're gonna get started, y'all. First of all, my hair smells so good right now. How the hair is looking fresh out the shower. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a section in the back. I think that's a good section. I think we're gonna start with the mousse, and then we'll top it with the gel. But this is what we're starting with. We're gonna just start with the mousse. Now with mousse, you really don't need a lot. I like that pump. That is a nice pump, okay? That was a good pump. Put it on my hair. Ooh, nice and soft. Yeah. Dude, do I even need any more product? OMG. So it did give it a little bit of definition. Like you can see, it kind of it's starting to clump, but we still need the gel. Let's go ahead and take some of this gel. All right. I think that's a good amount, right? I should just be able to like finger detangle. Actually, I think I'm just gonna rake. Alright, we're getting a little bit of definition. Keep applying product. And this is the kitchen, so the kitchen's never really gonna act right. You know, the kitchen always wants to misbehave, but we'll just keep going. This is how it's looking. It did like clump together, but I'm not up for the shingling method today, Lord Jesus, that's a lot. But shingling is when you take like each individual clump and you kind of make it like its own and pull it apart like I'm doing right now. Like that's shingling. But yeah, this is just gonna have to be it because we're not gonna keep messing with it. All right, so let's go ahead and take down the next section. We'll see if it's reacting any differently as we start to work our way towards the middle of our head. Okay, we're getting somewhere. It's getting somewhere. I just have to really work the product into my hair. I'm seeing clumps, y'all. I am seeing some clumping, so I'm happy. We're just gonna keep going. However, it's starting to dry pretty quickly. I do like that it is also clumping together really nicely as well. Okay, like you guys can kind of see now. Here's how it's looking. I actually really like it. I hope as it continues to dry that more definition will come through. But right now it's clumping really nicely. So let's just continue. Alright y'all, so just to come back and update you guys, I'm just about done. I am at the top. I'm not getting a lot of definition, but I am getting like a lot of clumpage. Like you can see the separation. But I mean, I guess that's just how my hair is. I'm not really seeing any curls just yet, but maybe when it dries, some of the curls will start to come through. So just taking it step by step. I have some more mousse. I'm gonna just apply that right there. I'm now taking some gel. Alright, so the curls are, you guys probably can't really see on camera. I'm not sure if you can. I mean, they're coming through. Okay. Alright, so this is about it. Alright, so you can see here's the little wispies up front. We're gonna allow this to dry. I think I'm just gonna let it air dry. I am like hoping and praying that the curls come through. I don't want it to dry and just look frizzy. So I'm super nervous right now because I cannot tell what's gonna happen once it dries. Just don't touch it. Let it do its own thing. And I should be fine. I'll show you guys a side-by-side comparison of this side. See how it like doesn't really look too much different? So I don't know. I'm not really seeing like a big difference, but I think after it dries, maybe the curls will come a little bit more through. So I'm gonna go ahead and just knock out the other side really quickly and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, alright, so I just finished on the other side. We are getting some definition, y'all. We're getting a little bit of curls up in here. This side just finished, so it's gonna take a while. I'm like kind of stuck behind my hair. But yeah, I really like the products. I'm happy that I got a chance to use them. Saturated my hair as much as I could because when you're doing a wash and go, it kind of does have to be wet. So the curling mousse and the curl elongating gel, these two products, they're quite alright in my book, guys. I am going to let my hair dry completely, but you guys can kind of see like the curls are starting to form on this side because I finished it first. I just finished this side, so it is going to be a while before the curls start to come in. But so far, so good. I think I'm just going to let it air dry. I know. I don't feel like sitting under a dryer. It's like 100 degrees outside. I just don't feel like sitting under a dryer, so I think I'm just going to let it air dry for a few hours, and I will come back on here to show you guys how it looks and give you guys my final results. If you did enjoy watching me so far use these Sofnfree products, go ahead and like this video, and then I will also have more information about the products below. But I'll see you guys when my hair's dry. Deuces. What's up, guys? So I am back. It is the next day and my hair is finally dry. Y'all, I really doubted this product. I really had no faith. The flaxseed and rose water mousse, and I also paired it with the gel. I had no faith, honey. I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. But baby, when I tell you them curls started to dry and I just let them do their own thing, like, y'all, my hair looks so good. I'm really happy. Like, the curls are just there. You can see how full they are, how defined they are. I did do the shingling method and the raking method, so I was able to get a lot more definition because of those two techniques that I tried. I can't like stop staring at it. I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. It smells really good. I don't know, Sofnfree definitely came through with these products. So my hair is just really full and thick. It's always been like that. That's why I love my hair. But yeah, y'all, here are the final results. I love them. This is a wash and go. When I did my hair, it was extremely hot that day, so I actually went outside dry and just let my hair air dry. I think that's another thing that also helped my curls develop as well, just like leaving them alone. I slept in a bonnet as soon as they were dry. I put my bonnet on. I protected my curls at night. I also sleep with a satin pillowcase as well, and that's how I'm able to preserve and protect my curls at night. I'm somebody who had really damaged hair in the past, y'all. So me coming from 2014 where my hair didn't even curl to actually having curls and being able to walk outside confidently, like, it was a long time coming. That's why I'm here to show you these tips and tricks and just different products that might work for you. I want to show you guys the easiest way to get on your natural hair journey and to start seeing results. So yeah, if you guys follow me, follow some of my advice that I give you, you'll be able to jumpstart your natural hair journey. Do not make the same mistakes I did for these past 10 years. If you guys follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, or on YouTube, you will know that I give you guys some of the best tips and tricks to get your curls to flourish. If you guys really did like these Sofnfree products, I mean, their shower products were lovely, their styling products were lovely as well. I'll have everything linked below so you guys can certainly check them out. They're a pretty cool brand and I love my results using them. So guys, that's just about it. You have seen the hairstyle from start to finish. You have seen the products behind me that I've used as well. I'm really happy because I just need a good hair day. You're in such a better mood when your hair looks phenomenal. But if you guys want to check out more information about the Sofnfree products, I'll definitely have some of them linked below. And if you guys love natural hair just as much as I do, follow me on all my other platforms, guys. We are killing it with the natural hair content on Instagram, TikTok, and just social media and all. So if you guys want to follow more of my journey, you can follow me at as always Aleia, and then also check out the products below if you're interested in getting results just like these. But guys, without further ado, I'm not going to talk your head off. Alright guys, sorry my camera died, but without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. Thank you so much again for tuning in, guys. I love talking to you guys about natural hair. It's seriously my world. But my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.